Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 8 of the furnace tune-up. Step 8 is analyze the furnace combustion for peak efficiency. So when your heater runs, we're burning natural gas. Just like you burn natural gas in your car. So at your car, you put gas into the fuel tank, you fire it up, the engine combusts, gives you energy to move forward, and then the exhaust fumes are ran out the tailpipe. Furnace works the same way. We get natural gas into the furnace, it combusts and makes fire, and then the exhaust fumes go out the flue pipe and go out to the roof and are vented outside because we never want to get exhaust fumes in your home. The exhaust fumes that come out of this furnace are the same 4 exhaust fumes that come out of the tailpipe of your car. So when we go through here to analyze everything, we're going to take this flue riser apart before it gets to the main pipe that goes outside, and we're going to look inside and make sure there's no obstructions. We're going to make sure we've got no white ash in there. We're going to make sure that it's not rusting from condensation. We're going to be pulling this inducer motor off and checking all inside there and making sure none of the internals of it are rotted out. And we're also going to go in through the heat exchanger and do an infrared camera inspection to make sure that there's no soot or white ash inside there or rust, and also no breaches in the heat exchanger. It's very, very important that you have this checked every year before you use it. The manufacturer of equipment, American Gas Association, and even PG&E says that a furnace should be inspected every year before use. One of the biggest reasons why is because we never want any of these exhaust fumes to make it into your home. As this fire goes inside the firebox and combusts, your breathing air is right outside of it. If for some reason it was to rust through, break, or even have leaks and stuff inside here, it has the potential of pulling those exhaust fumes directly into your home. You never want to park a car in your garage with the garage all closed up and leave the car running because it's not healthy for you. We don't want this to do that either. So again, super important that maintenance is done on an annual basis. See you on the next video.